The Zimbabwe Republic Police has taken note of a photo circulating on social media in which a female police officer is seen standing next to a man wearing a police hat. Investigations are underway and a detailed statement will be issued after completion of investigations. The ZRP reports that on September 1, 2022, 554 people were arrested on Operation No to Cross-Border Crimes, and the cumulative arrests since January 1, 2021 now stands at 92,699. 985 people were arrested on Operation Izachekachekashvili and No to Machete Gang since January 1, 2022. The ZRP urges the public to be wary of using private and unregistered vehicles as means of transport. On August 1, 2021 at about 0630 hours, a Harare man, 35, boarded a black unregistered Nissan Port vehicle with 3 occupants at Chatham destined for the CBD before being robbed of cash amounting to $1,500 at corner Samora Michelle and Chinhoyi Street. In another case, a Harare woman, 29, boarded an unregistered blue Honda Fit vehicle with 3 occupants at 10th Street, Warren Park destined for the CBD before the suspects diverted the route into the National Sports Stadium and took off her blouse and bra. They stole $143 and ZWL $3,800 and ordered the victim to disembark as they sped off.